What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, it's time to go shopping. Today, I got 5 ETFs that you need inside of your portfolio if you guys are ready to make some money. As always, I got a jam-packed video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, listen, man, if you made money on today, you already know Coach want to hear about it, okay? Please let me know down in the comments below. You know how you guys already know how we do. But with that being said, man, listen, I have 5 growth ETFs for you guys today. So for my long-term investors, I need you to tap in. And for my traders, if you play this strategically, you can kill the game as well, okay? Without further ado, we jumping right into it, and I'm kicking it off with DRAM, DJ Drama, ticker symbol DRAM. Some people might call it DRAM. I've always coined it DJ Drama, okay? And listen to this, man. The Round Hill Memory ETF, currently $54.85. Listen, guys, we go shopping. We go shopping. Listen to this. Everybody say this. When there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. Do you love a sale? Okay? If you love a sale, you have to buy assets when they go on sale. Treat the game the same way, okay? Treat the game the same way. Treat the stock market the same way you would treat if you went to your favorite store and you gotta buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one half off, okay? When there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. When you see a sale, I need you guys to go shopping, okay? Make sure you guys do your due diligence as always. Look into what the holdings are. Look into what some of the individual names that's inside of this ETF is, okay? Just so you know what you're holding, okay? Always know what you are buying, okay? What else Coach got for you guys? SMH, okay? Now this one will change your life, okay? If you don't get no other one, please get this one, okay? Ticker symbol SMH. This ain't shaking my head. This is the VanEck Semiconductor ETF. This one on the pricier side, okay? Currently sitting at $566.98, okay? It took a dive on today, meaning a sale. We love when stocks go on sale, and so I need you to understand when there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. Everybody say it with me, okay? And listen, SMH, they hold your top semiconductor ETFs, okay? What is a semiconductor, Coach? That's everything from NVIDIA to AMD to Micron, you name it, it's inside of this. And so one that's better than even QQQ is this one, SMH, okay? And so guys, do me a favor, like if you had to only have 3, okay, if I was building your dream portfolio and you called me and we were doing a tailor-made coaching call for just you specifically, and I had to pick 3 and only 3, this would be one of them ones. That's how high I am on the importance of having SMH as part of your mix and as part of your wealth building journey, okay? This is one that you need, okay? So again, understand the importance. What else Coach got for you? NASA, ticker symbol NASA. Now this one is for my space innovative people, okay? If you love this whole space movement, if you love SpaceX, if you love everything that the world may potentially be going in terms of that direction, one way to play it, guys, is the NASA, NASA, okay? And this ETF, this ticker symbol, holds some that you know, some that you don't know. And listen to this, guys. Sometimes the things that you guys are all running to in terms of like, in terms of hype, sometimes it's the one that's sitting in the cut. My brand is called The Quiet Wealth, okay? And sometimes it's the thing that is the least talked about. Sometimes it's the thing that's lateral to the thing that's talked about that's really the one. Don't let that go over your head, okay? NASA, guys, ticker symbol NASA. Make sure you guys scoop this up for me. Do me a favor while you're at it. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. I want to know if you guys are taking advantage of both directions, okay? So for example, I know if you want to make money when stocks go down, you need to buy put options, okay? You need to buy puts, okay? Put down, okay? You put the phone down. That means you can make money when the price of a stock that you know, like, and love, or that you're looking at goes down in price, okay? And so just let me know if you did that, if you caught something that was contrary to the market today and it went the opposite direction. I want to hear about that too, okay? Next up, what do Coach have for you guys? QTUM, Defiance Quantum ETF. Now listen, guys, this one is currently $152.16. These are the type of assets, guys, that are going to be life-changing, okay? I often think about the recent college grad and the incoming freshman. If I was able to get on every college campus in America and teach them about what assets they need to own, okay? You don't want to have your assets on your behind. You want to have your money in assets that can make money while you sleep. That's why we say, when they sleep, we eat, but when they panic, we pounce, okay? Our money makes money for us around here, okay? We buy things that allow us to live financially free, financially independent, no longer on the corporate plantation, okay? But we do that by buying the right assets, the right ETFs, okay? The right individual stock, more importantly, the right company, okay? And QTUM, okay? You guys see a theme with today's list, okay? Currently 152. When there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. Let me know if you pick up what I'm putting down, okay? What else Coach got for you? You know, the granddaddy of them all, VOO. Okay, now this is the S&P 500, okay? So this would be the equivalent to SPY, okay? If you didn't have Vanguard and you was using another platform, it would be called SPY, SPY, or SPX, okay? But inside of what I do, I'm an investor inside of Vanguard, okay? It's called VOO, okay? That's how you get the total 500 companies that represents the S&P 500, okay? And this is a great asset that at least produces around a 8 to 10% return on average, okay? You can't beat this one. If nothing else, this is where you need to park your money. Somebody wrote me today and they was like, Coach, man, just imagine if everybody that bought lottery tickets their whole life just bought VOO. And that was just a profound statement. It was simple but profound at the same time. And I said, think about that. Think about everybody that's going to buy an e-cig, going to buy a Relo, going to buy lottery tickets, and if they took that same money and put it in VOO, or this next one, check this one out, guys, VTI. This is the one Coach built his wealth off of. And just think about that, guys. The ticker symbol on this one is VTI. This is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, okay? And so that's what I did, and the payoff was it was insurmountable, man. Just instead of buying lottery tickets, instead of buying a new house, instead of buying a new car, I bought a used car that I paid off. I bought a house that I paid off. I own everything. I retired by the time I was 35 years old, but I dumped all my money in at least one asset that returned on average a 10% return. Now, you guys know how Coach do. I also bought other individual stocks as well, lateral to VTI, and I was able to be fortunate enough to see them go up hundreds, 200, 300,000%, which really took my wealth through the roof, okay? But that's the power of investing. The market is the greatest vehicle for wealth creation, but it's also a vehicle that goes up over time. And as long as you understand that, you can't deny the stock market, okay? It's where you need to be. It's where your money needs to be, okay? What else Coach got for you? SCHD, okay? Now, you guys know, if you follow me, I want this to be, if it's three that you got to have, you can have SMH, VTI or VOO, and SCHD. If you had just that mix alone, guys, you would change your life first and foremost. Number two, it would help you start the process of leaving the corporate plantation. Look how powerful that is, okay? Yes, you're gonna retire and you're gonna be able to live comfortably. Your money will grow, it will work on your behalf. So if you're new to the stock market and you just found my channel, if you're new to the stock market and you're just getting invested, number one, is not too late. But number two, what I covered today at a high level on an overview standpoint is the type of assets you need to buy. People always talk, but very few show. Today, I walked you through, if you have money and you're trying to invest, especially for the long haul, what I demonstrated today are the type of assets that you want to buy and hold long term. What is long term, coach? You at least need to come in with a bare minimum 1 to 3 years. If you are more disciplined than that, you need to shoot for 5 to 7 years. And if you want to see the big payoff, 7 to 10 years is where that truly happens. That okay? A lot of times it's a lot sooner than that. But I always want to be realistic with you guys. I always want to be upfront, and most importantly, I always want to be transparent. You guys already know SCHD. I invest in it every single day, at least $50 a day. And again, nothing else needs to be said. Listen, hopefully this was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.